Finally, my Apple Watch is here. And I just got it today, and I want to share the unboxing with you. So let's go ahead and pull this off. And there it is. The Apple Watch. Ta-da! Another box. Oh, it comes with a plug. I didn't even know that. Very long Apple wire here. And we got our little tiny charger. What else we got in the box? I want more. Okay, so let's peel this off. Suppose we just rip this right down the side. And here it comes. Ta-da! Space gray, baby. Look at that. Gives us instructions how to put the watch on. There's our Apple Watch, automatically turned on. Space gray looks really nice. Nice dark color, that's good. What a nice band. Let's put it on. Remember, I have 210 millimeter wrists. And it fits pretty nice. Right on the last buckle. But I could probably go a little tighter, as you've seen in my other videos. My hands are filthy because I'm putting a pool in, doing a lot of digging. So there's the Apple Watch. I'm going to play with it a little bit. I'm going to update the firmware because we're on 1.1 right now. Let's see what it says. English. Start pairing. Open the Apple Watch. Alright, let me open up the app, get it started. So in this box, we slide it out, very clever. And it has an instruction booklet about the features and how to charge it, and what the buttons do, how to clasp this band. And it also has just some legal information, but this is cool. This is the small medium band. So if you needed it a little bit smaller, you just take off the one band here, which is longer, and you put this one on. So I need a couple of days to play with this, but we're going to do a lot of videos on this. So I also got a couple of accessories with it. I bought this armored case so that when I work outside I can have this on and less likely to wreck the watch. Also got myself a stand from the same company, and that's a pretty awesome looking stand. We'll show you that in the next video. And I also got medical equipment like these things, like a pulse ox and one that you wear on your wrist to get an atrial pulse. And we're going to make videos about that. We're going to show this, and especially fitness apps. We're going to check the heart rate and all that and make sure that it is up to par and works. We're going to test everything. Plus, I'm getting the Pebble Time and the Pebble Time Steel. And that should be here soon, within a couple of days, maybe a week. And then in July, we're going to get our Pebble Time Steel. And we're going to do complete side-by-side comparisons. This is pretty cool. I got all the watches, and we're going to do some fun things, including jailbreak stuff. So make sure you give us a thumb up and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.